As of January 1, 2025, our 4-year term with the current energy provider changed and our electricity bills went through the roof. We were averaging about $3,500 to $4,000 a month. Having an ability to offset some of those energy costs with the solar and battery setup was the main reason why we started this journey. Scott and Dan from Impact Energy have been a long-term partner of our football club. Knowing the two gentlemen and being able to trust them as tradesmen and know that they're going to do the right thing by us was a pretty easy decision at the end of the day to choose Impact.
Previously there was only a 1.5 kilowatt system installed here, which wasn't even working. I've now installed just under 50 kilowatts worth of panels on a 25 kilowatt sun-grow inverter. I've used 60 kilowatt hours worth of storage along with the government rebate. It made really good financial sense.
The two main energy consumption periods is the Saturday morning produce markets and then obviously using the field lights at night time 5 nights a week at the moment. So adding the batteries to be able to offset some of those costs was definitely part of our decision.
This club is tucked in a leafy corner right next to the Brisbane River, where we've recently seen some severe weather. This club really does see it all. Over the last year, we've seen hailstorms, cyclones, and extreme heat days.
It was only a couple of weeks ago where we had the supercell rip through here and we had golf ball size hail, and just making sure that any type of system can withhandle those types of weather events was really important to us.
This particular site is one of the first installs to use the new Phono Quasar panel.
With these panels being bifacial with the 2mm front glass, that really helps for a bit of peace of mind for us in the club, knowing that they can withstand severe events. And also due to the proximity to the Brisbane River, we wanted something with a high salt mist rating, and these panels suited everything that we needed.
The Phono Quasar panel uses back contact technology, which is specifically designed to combat partial shading.
With the new renovation going on, it gave a lot more roof space available to install panels. Previously we only had really a eastern facing roof that was available due to the shading on the western side. So having the new roof space available with the renovation opened up some more opportunities to put some panels on the western facing side. We chose these panels in particular due to partial shading in the afternoon, a lot of wildlife around as well, so that helps with that.
When you're putting panels on a site like this, it's not just about what you install, it's about who's behind it. Supply partners have supplied the equipment for this project, and our role is to ensure installers have access to quality product backed by training and local support.
90% of the power that's being generated by this system is being self-consumed by the client on site. With electricity prices rising in the future, this system's designed to save on the client's electricity bill for decades to come.
Scott and Dan from Impact Energy have been nothing but first class in the whole process, from taking our energy bills and making sure that they were thoroughly checked over to know what our energy consumption was, and then the best system to set up after that. So nothing but a 5-star review for those guys, and really appreciate their efforts so far.